In this video, we will look at how to create and share collections within Wakelet. Before we begin creating collections and spaces, it is important to understand the difference between the two. Collections are where you can collate and present your content. Collections are the primary function of Wakelet. This is where content is curated before being shared with pupils or colleagues. Spaces are groups of collections and can be used to collate similar collections together in one place. As well as your personal space, additional spaces can also be created. For example, you may have spaces created for different classes, for example S1, National 5, or you may have spaces created for curricular areas such as numeracy or science, each with its own set of collections. To create a collection on Wakelet, select either your own profile or one of your own spaces, and then select Create a New Collection. You'll be asked to choose the layout for your collection, and there are several options to choose from. These can always be changed at a later date. You can also add a cover image and a background image. To begin with, however, I'm going to give my collection a title and a description. By selecting the paint palette icon, you can return to the design options to choose the layout of your collection, as well as adding the cover image and background image. When adding images, you can choose to upload your own, choose from the GIF library, or choose from the image library built within Wakelet. We are now ready to begin adding content to our collection. When adding content to a Wakelet collection, there are several basic options to choose from. The first of these is the text option, where a text box will appear and your text can be entered. Basic formatting options are available. After adding your first piece of content to your Wakelet collection, to add the next, you can simply select from the icons above again, or by selecting the plus icon below your first item. If you select the plus icon below a piece of content, then your next piece of content will appear below. Our next option is image, where we can choose to upload our own image, choose a GIF from the inbuilt library, or choose an image from the inbuilt library as well. When using the libraries, you can simply search for the image that you would like to add. Our next option is Bookmarks, where any content you have bookmarked using the Wakelet browser extension will appear, and this can then be added to your collection. In this example, a simple web link was added. Our next option is PDF. When selected, you'll be able to upload a PDF document from your device. At the end, we have the Apps option. When selected, several apps are available where we can add content from. The first of these is Tweets, where we can search for particular tweets by a keyword or hashtag, or by a particular user. Also within apps is the ability to add a Flipgrid video. This will open the Flipgrid camera and allow you to record your own video up to 10 minutes long. Also within apps is the ability to add YouTube videos. Again, when this is selected, you have the ability to search YouTube to find the video that you're looking for. Multiple videos can be selected in order to be added to your collection. Finally, within the apps list, we have the ability to add documents from either the Google Drive or from OneDrive. When selected, you'll be reminded that any document you upload from OneDrive will be made public, and anyone who can view the collection will be able to access the files that you add from OneDrive. If this is your first time uploading a document from OneDrive, you will have to accept the permissions on screen. You will then be taken to your OneDrive account in Glow and will be able to locate the file that you wish to upload. Only one file can be selected at a time. When documents from OneDrive are uploaded, they can be edited in order to appear more engaging within your Wakelet. So you can choose to edit the title, you can add a description, and you can also add an image to the document as well. One of the main features of Wakelet is the ability to display web links in a more engaging fashion. You can copy and paste any web address into the box on screen, and Wakelet will display it in the most engaging way possible. I'll now show some quick examples of how different web links might be displayed within a Wakelet collection. To begin, we can take an episode from BBC iPlayer. An image, a title and a description are given automatically. Next, I can choose to take YouTube videos directly from YouTube simply by copying and pasting the link from the top of the page. I may wish to share a Google map. To do this, select the menu icon in the top left-hand corner, select Share or Embed Map, and copy the link for sharing. This can then be pasted back into Wakelet, and an interactive map is then embedded within the Wakelet collection. Other web pages can also be shared simply by finding the share link. Again, an image, the link itself and a description are automatically generated. If you wish, you can choose to edit these yourself. Items within a Wakelet collection can be repositioned by selecting the three-dot menu over a particular piece of content, selecting Move, and then choosing where you wish to move this piece of content to. You have the option of moving it up or down one place, or directly to the top, or directly to the bottom. Additional content can be added in any place within your Wakelet, simply by selecting the plus icon again. After completing a Wakelet collection, you may wish to share this with your pupils, colleagues, or with parents. In order to do this, you'll have to select the share icon in the right-hand corner. Alternatively, if you're looking at the menu screen where you can see all of your Wakelet collections, select the three-dot menu and select Share. In either instance, the sharing screen will be opened, and by default, your collections are set to private. You can change this to public, where anyone with the link will be able to view the collection, or you can change it to unlisted, where anyone with a link can again view the collection, but the collection will not be displayed on your public profile. The sharing link can be copied and then pasted into another document in order to share with pupils, colleagues, or parents. You can also choose to generate a QR code for your collection, or choose to share it in a variety of social media applications as well as Microsoft Teams. As a user not signed into Wakelet, I can simply enter the sharing link within my web browser, press enter, and I will be presented with the Wakelet collection. I will be able to view all of the content, however I cannot edit anything that's already there, nor can I choose to add further content.